what do you call this? Onion, onion, and then garlic. So there. What else? Luna, what else? Hey there, this is Sander, and for today's episode, I will be cooking something for our dinner. So this dish is very special, very unique. I think something that you haven't tasted yet, you haven't known yet. So the name of the dish is fried chicken.
Fried chicken.
So for everybody's reference, this will be my first time cooking. So hopefully magagawa natin and hopefully they will enjoy the food. So without much further ado, let's jump in. So first, I will introduce you to our ingredients. So we introduce you to our ingredients. So we introduce you to our ingredients. So we have the chicken. McLaren chicken. So we have the chicken, and then what else? We have, what do you call this? Onion, onion, and then garlic. So there. What else? Luna, what else? So, and also we have the powders. One is original flavor, and then the other one is spicy one. So ako say mahilig.
So first, I use the dough. Tapos, we will just wash our spices.
Hindi mo na, what's next?
"2,000 years later."
So next, mag-juggle tayo ng egg. So, ready? One! So gagawin natin is, bibihakin. So,
Magbibigay siya ng itlog.
Scramble lang natin to. So, assistant? Egg and also the seasoning. So, luto na tayo. Let's go! Let's go, Muna! Let's go! So, okay. So, una, papainitin muna natin yung, anong tawag dito? Anong tawag dito? Basta ito. And then, we pour an oil. This one. Tama? Oil. Yan ako dami. Ito. Okay, tapos, we'll wait for a couple of minutes para uminit yung mantika na kakatagay lang natin. So, while waiting for it, I also prepare a plate for our finished and cooked chicken. Wait. Today, it's here. So to check kung pwede natin lagyan ng chicken yung pan. So, yan lang. If you want, you can dip your fingers there. So, yan lang. Let's go. So, okay na to? Pwede na? Pwede na daw. So, kuha tayo ng chicken.
Here, from the from the mixture that we did a while ago. And then, uy! Ini-mix pa to! Mix na eh. Hindi pa kasi ito. Okay. So, bago pa lalagay sa pan. So, mix mo na here. And then, tapos, dito sa sesame. So, this, we just have to coat it. And then, happy with it. And so,
So guys, ito na yung finished product natin, our spicy fried chicken. So, wait this after ilang hours. Finally, luto na. And sa amoy pa lang, I can really say and I can attest that masarap siya. Hopefully. So, thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more cooking videos. Sige na muna. Tara, mga na kita!